Means Woodshop merch is now available. Check the link down in the description. When I first started this channel, one of the very first projects I made for it was this sofa arm table that I made with walnut and oak. It's a pretty good project and there's nothing wrong with it, but I still feel like it could be improved. And a while back on one of my Wednesday follow-up videos with Adam, I asked viewers what are some projects you would like to see remade. This was among the things that was mentioned. I decided I would go ahead and remake this while I had some nice cherry in the shop. And this is what I came up with. So this one, you can see, is much longer. It has a little carved dish for some snacks. What's best is it has storage for things like TV remotes or other small living room items that might otherwise get scattered and lost forever, and your spouse is always going to blame you for it. Let's check it out. It's bloody raining, and you know whenever you see a red solo cup that the party's going down. Actually, I'm lying. This is just tea. I think bloody 15 inches looks good. Because I'm so responsible in the shop, I didn't put my crosscut sled away the last time I used it, which lets you know that I prepare in advance to do crosscuts just like this. Gary say I really don't want to take down any width at all because it's kind of already the width that I want it to be, but it has a really rough edge on it, so I at least want to take that off. Connected corner to corner from the center, extended that line up, so somewhere around here I think looks good. I can do a circle and I can start carving that out. Now what I'm using to carve out my circle is just a little carving tool. It was really cheap at like the craft store or something. And I've done a few spoons with it and it works okay. Keep in mind if you really want to start getting into carving bowls or spoons, you'll probably want to invest in a good gouge chisel. I've spent like the last hour and a half trying to figure out how I'm going to join the legs to it. My first thought was I was going to do dovetails like I did on my first one, but I gotta mess with my router because the bit keeps wanting to come out, and that's a terrifying idea. I think I'm just going to do some big half lap joints, and looks like I'm just going to have to do multiple passes on the table saw to do that. So. ready to glue on my legs. You may have noticed that one of these legs is longer or wider than the other one. I have a reason for doing that. Don't even worry about it right now. I whipped together this box really quick. I did it the same method I used for almost all of my boxes with the 1/4 inch floating bottom in there. And I'm going to put that on this outside of the little table thing. So you can put remotes, magazines, TV guide, you remember that? It's not going to be holding anything of substantial weight or anything subjected to a lot of stress. So I think I'm just going to let it sit just like this overnight and we'll come back to it. Glue set up nicely, and what's also good is it's not raining today, although it is looking suspiciously cloudy out there. I think all I got to do on this is sand it and we'll have a completed piece, bruh. And I really like the bowl in here. And the carved bowl idea, I didn't come up with that. It was an idea that I got from Andy Rawls, another Texas woodworker. So if you can't get enough of these sofa arm tables, there will be a link to my old video at the end of this video and in the description, and also a link to Andy's video where you can see how he made his with the carved dish in there, and Steve Ramsey's as well, where he did one with fake box joints, and it's pretty interesting. If you like this video and enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. They say that that helps with the secret YouTube algorithm. Be sure and subscribe to this channel. I have brand new woodworking videos like this every single week. Every Wednesday, me and my brother-in-law Adam do a follow-up on these projects. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of those. That's 2 videos a week. You don't want to get left in the dust. So, thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time. Really, put the snack bowl on yours. You won't regret it.